Let me ask you something. When you walk into a room, who do you look like? A leader? A follower? Or just another face in the crowd? Because whether you know it or not, your walk is speaking for you, long before your mouth ever does. Today, I'll show you 7 steps that'll help you walk like a king. Not a try-hard, not a background extra, a king. But first, look at how most people walk. Slouched, tired, heads down like they've already lost the day. That's not walking, that's surviving. Now look at a king. He walks with posture like armor. His spine isn't bent, it's a throne. Your posture is the first signal of power. If your back is curled, your confidence is buried. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, chin neutral, chest open. Imagine there's an invisible crown on your head, and your job is to never let it fall. Losers avoid eye contact like it's confrontation, but kings, they hold it, not aggressively, not creepily, just grounded, calm. Director, when you make eye contact with someone, it's like saying, I see you, but I'm not here to impress you. I'm already enough. Even 2 seconds of relaxed eye contact sets you apart from 90% of people. Don't drop your gaze. Don't scan the floor. You're not looking for coins. You're claiming space. Kings don't rush. They don't chase. They own their pace. Most people either walk too fast, like they're being hunted, or too slow, like life's already over. Your walking speed sends a signal. I'm present. I'm in control. I know where I'm going. Aim for a medium, grounded pace. Each step deliberate. Each step calm. You're not running, you're arriving. Ever seen someone walk like their shoulders are glued in place? That's a fear posture. Now watch a king. His shoulders move with rhythm. Not stiffness, not exaggeration. Just a natural swing, relaxed, like his body is in sync with his spirit. This subtle shoulder swing gives off energy, masculinity, and calm dominance. It's not about looking tough. It's about moving freely, like nothing weighs you down. Pockets, both hands stuffed in, that's fear. That's hiding. Crossed arms, that's defensiveness. Your hands should flow naturally with your walk. Open, relaxed, engaged. You don't have to gesture wildly, but let your hands be seen. Let them move. Let them say, I'm not hiding. I'm here, and I belong here. Even one hand out of the pocket creates presence. A king doesn't walk at the edges of the group. He walks in the center. Look at leaders in movies, in history. They never hide at the back. They lead without saying a word, just by their position. When you're in a group, don't shrink. Don't drift to the sides. Own the middle. Walk where eyes go first. Even if your voice shakes, your position can still lead. This one is subtle, but it changes everything. Most people walk flat-footed, like they're dragging themselves through life. But a king, he steps heel first. Heel hits, then the foot rolls forward. It creates a confident, grounded rhythm. Pair that with feet pointing straight ahead, not inward or outward. And suddenly, you don't just walk better, you feel better, because your brain notices what your body does. Here's the truth. You don't need a crown to be a king. You need presence, awareness, deliberate movement, because the way you walk is how you tell the world, I'm not lost. I'm not begging. I'm not invisible. I walk with purpose. I walk with pride. I walk like I know who I am. So the next time you step out, remember this. Every street is your runway. Every room is your court. Every step is your signature. Now go walk like a king and let the world feel it.